Good morning, friends. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys, hope you're doing well. In this short tutorial, I want to show you how to replace a door forced open alarm and also the door forced open status on the door by a door open. Okay, so the purpose of this feature, and we get a lot of calls and tech support from people not knowing this exists, so that's the reason why we do this video today. The purpose of this feature is when you have an entry reader with a door contact, but no request to exit device. So typically, without enabling the option I'm going to show you, when you exit this door, the system will basically go into forced open event like this. Okay? So I'm going to show you what to enable to replace this event by a door open event so that the system can start counting the pre-alarm and left open alarm counter, and then you can actually report or know that the door has been left open without triggering false alarms or false left open alarms. Okay? So let me show you how it's done in the Protege GX platform. Okay, so now from the home page, we need to go to Programming, Doors. All right, so like this here, I'm gonna call it Front Door. All right, so under the Front Door Properties, under Inputs, scroll down to the bottom. Under the General Options section, we will enable Forced Door Sense Door Open. So basically, we're replacing forced open by a door open event, so the door is not going to alarm every time we open it from the inside. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Under Site Controllers, I just want to watch the download status here to see if it's completed the download. So it's still downloading. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, so saving packet to file means the download is completed. Let's go under the monitoring and status page to see. All right, so now if I force the door open, no more output activation, and we can see the door open event. Okay, very simple. That will replace forced open events by door open events. I hope you liked the video. Again, like the video, hit the notification button to have a notification when we release new videos every week. If you need help, support, or sales help, you can go to inaxsys.com to reach us. Okay, thanks for watching. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.